if you could kind of give us like a few tips on how to get their conversion rate ups or their open rate ups or click-through rates up, we would love to hear them.
Yeah. Let's see. How about a lot? Because I recently created this kind of resource where it's like 40 common copywriting mistakes. So like, maybe I can just go through them.
Yeah,
honestly,
whatever.
I'd love to like know what some of those are. I'm actually going to your site right now.
Cool. Okay, so so like let me just go through them, and then I'll kind of give like a brief summary of each one.
Yeah, that's perfect, dude.
Yeah. So the first one is or the first common copywriting mistake is that the copy is not conversational. So if the copy reads kind of stiff and robotic and almost forced. Like if it doesn't sound like something that an actual human would actually say, then it kind of comes off as like, wait a second, like, what is this?
Yeah.
So one of the most common.
Very cool. Any tips on that, like how to make it go less like digital, or I guess more computerized to more personal?
Yeah. So like what I found is helpful is kind of read it out loud. So make sure that the phrasing kind of sounds like something that you actually say. So so after you like write it, just like read it. And then after that, use transitory phrases. So try to inject the right words in between statements to make things flow. So sometimes like you'll like read copy, but then it just reads super like choppy and like stiff.
Yeah.
So like make sure that the sentences actually transition to each other properly.
Gotcha.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
The next one is lack of credibility. So like if the copy doesn't have enough proof of success or points to reassure that the offer will actually deliver on its promises, then the prospect might think that like, oh, like this person kind of like kind of sketchy, like this is a brand new company, it's gonna take my like money, but like just like leave.
Yeah.
Is there some good ways you recommend people doing that?
Like improving their credibility.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So so the most common ways is obviously like showcase more testimonials, proof of success, before and afters, transformations. But like the better way to go at this is to kind of demonstrate the actual value, right? So like showcase the offer transformation in like a super visual way, through copy and examples, right? So like after the prospect actually views this demonstration, like there shouldn't be like a doubt that the transformation is possible for them. So just like proof.
Gotcha. That reminds me of like
go ahead.
Sorry. No, it reminds me of an auto insurance landing page that we had. And before it was like, it's just a picture of it, just like pictures of like bills that are probably fake, I'm just going to assume. And one was like my price before doing this, and then my price after this with like the big, it all circled and stuff. So it was proof that it was legit. We also had some testimonials in there. It was good. So
I would actually like to touch on the testimonial part. Do you kind of have a process that you kind of use to craft like a really effective testimonial?
Yeah. So like really good questions, I guess. Like let me pull up like some of my notes here. I think I have this framework somewhere.
One thing that's really cool is on Facebook ads, you can put testimonials right in the ad itself. Facebook doesn't love it, but it converts like crazy. That's a little tip for anybody.
Yeah. Like seeing like that converts super well.
Yeah. You can now put it on the image too. Sorry.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. They removed the text rule.
Yeah. That was huge because I remember, back when like almost any text was like banned. So in terms of the testimonial framework, just like asking them like really good interview questions. So what problem were they trying to solve? What did they try before? What what were they expecting? What were the top three, transformations? What surprised you? Would you recommend this to other people? Who would you recommend this to, and why? And so just like super specific questions um, on their like journey, like from like prospect to like customer to happy customer.
That's cool. I like that, man.